I'm going to show you how to debug using the output message in your terminal. So I'm going to use the example we did in lab with the bouncer example, and I'm going to use the error that I had when we were working through it. So I'll run it, and okay, I'm 34, and I see that I have errors. So I see that there's errors on line 21, 28, and 39. This is what's nice about MuEditor is that it'll tell us exactly on which line we have errors. In this situation, when you see that there's multiple errors, start with the earliest error. So for us, that's line 21. I say that because it's likely that when you see this, that the later errors like line 28 and line 39 are because we're calling code that was wrong in line 21. So now that we see the line, okay, I'm on line 21 here, and Python is also telling me the function name. So it tells me that the errors in num line, or num in line. So I see that, okay, I'm on the right line, and I'm indented into the correct function, and it tells me the contents that have an error. And then I also see the message about what is wrong. And it says that randint is missing one required positional argument. I don't really know what this means, so honestly, what you can do is just copy and paste, and let's see what's wrong. I think a good resource is Stack Overflow, where you can see people's questions and answers. And so we can scroll and we can see, oh, okay, great. This is how they used it on Stack Overflow. Let's see. Okay, the difference is they used a comma. Let me just use a comma. If this is too confusing or overwhelming to look through, that is totally fine. What we can do is we can say how to use randint in Python. And we see here, okay. Now, yes, we used a comma instead of a dash. So now we fixed our error on line 21. Let's run our code and see if this fixed the earliest error. Okay, I'm 34, works just like it did before. Great, now it works perfectly. I don't have that error. I am this old. And so that's just a helpful tip to understand what your error message means and how to dissect it. So remember to look for the line number, the function where the error is, and the message about the error, and start with the earliest one.